Hello, and today we'll be checking out the OpenCart Buy button plugin, and basically it allows the store owners to extend their sales channels, and they can get the facility to sell their products on more than one website on any e-commerce platform, and the admin can conveniently generate what we call as the code for the buy button for a product that is required to be showcased on other websites, and the customers can select the product from the other websites and can complete the checkout process from the another website itself, thus helping the store owners with an easy sales modulation and generation from multiple areas. So here you can see that I'm on another website, and I have these products all using these have been created using the buy button itself, and so basically the code has been edited here on this particular website and can then be seen as the products by the customers in a collection right now. So if I tap here on the view details, you can see that we can see the details of the product. We can also add this product to the cart by just tapping here on the add to cart button. So if I just tap here on the add to cart button, you can see that it has been added to the cart here at the top right hand corner, and the cart is also visible there. If I tap on the side and nothing is visible, but now the cart is visible. So from here the customers can make a checkout further by just tapping on the checkout button, and that brings up the OpenCart store section, and here the customer just needs to basically log into his account panel, and can choose their billing details and their what we say as the delivery details as well, so as to place the order. So I'll just choose my other address for the time being, and I'll just tap in continue. I'll just tap here continue. I'll choose the terms and conditions, continue, and I'll just tap here in the confirm button. So you can see that from the other website we have just added the product and tapped on the place order button to place the order, and the customer has very easily placed the order. Even if it's a guest customer, he can also place the order using the store itself. So here's the product, that's the iMac. If I close it down, here's the complete collection of the buy now products, as you can see. So I can just tap anywhere here on the web details to check the details, and then from there we can add it to the cart. You can see it's added to the cart now, the iPod Classic. Just tap here on the checkout button, and then we can just place the order as regular. So that's how the OpenCart buy now button works. Now let's go to the admin backend panel. Let's see what different initial configuration settings are there and how we can create a buy now button for our products. So for that, let's go to the admin backend panel now. So let me enter the backend by entering my username and my password from my web store, and after the successful installation of this particular plugin, you can see the buy button sub menu option here for creating the button on the side panel. And if I go to create button, from here we'll be able to create the button. So let's first see how we can create a button, and then we'll see the initial configurations required for this particular plugin. So here we can add a button. So here we have four different tabs. One is the settings tab, choose product, create layout, and get code. So we need to go through each of them one by one. We cannot miss anyone. So under the settings, we'll choose the store for which this add button should be applicable. Then we can choose the language as well, and the currency for the same. Then just tap here on the continue button, and here we can choose the products whose buy button we want to create. We can choose a single one or multiple ones as well. So for example, if I choose these three products, and thereafter I can tap here on the continue button. Otherwise I can also search product by their name as well to filter the product out. Let's tap here on the continue button. Now after setting, then choose product, we are on the create layout section. Here we have the three products, and here are the details. As you can see, this is how it would be appearing on the third-party website. We want to add this particular buy now button. Same goes for the iMac and for the iPhone as well. So we can set the alignment as center, left, right. So accordingly the section here changes. As you can see, if I choose it as center, if I choose it as left, if I choose it as right. Similarly, the size, medium, large, and small, it goes with all of those buy buttons there. We can also change the typography, and from here we can choose the button font that we have. So if I choose Comic Scan, you can see that the Comic Scan has been is now applicable to the button labels. We can set up the title font. If I choose Gurmandi, you can see now the title font has changed. First we change the button there. Now if I tap here, we also have the same here, the add to cart button that has also the same typography that we have chosen for the button font. Then we have the title font. Then we have the price and description font. Price and description. So if I choose it as Times New Roman, you can see it has changed, and the same is visible here for the description when I tap here in the view details. So this is the Times New Roman. And then we have the title size, the size of the title. I can go up to 18, maybe I can go choose 20 as well, depending upon the requirement. We can also choose the title color. Right now we have the purple. I can choose it to something else, maybe a red color. So the it would be changed. We can set up the price size, so it's small right now. I can choose it as 20, so it's now big. We can also choose the what we say as the color of the price, right? So accordingly it would be applicable to the price itself. Then we have the cart button style, how you want to set the cart button style. So here's the cart button at the top right hand corner, if you remember the front end flow. So from here you can choose the cart button style, button color from here. Depends upon your requirement there. You can choose as per your requirement. So here you can see the changes are being visible there. Similarly, we can go to the button text as well. We have set it as add to cart. Okay, so if I tap here in the view details, then we have the add to cart button. This we can change from here. We can set it to add, or I'll just set it as add cart. And if I tap now, add cart. Okay, it has changed here as well. Similarly, we can set up the view button text, view details. So if I tap here in the add cart, okay. Then lastly we have the shopping cart. You can set up the cart empty text. You can also set up the checkout button text color, and the checkout button color as well. Lastly, just tap here in the continue button, and then you have this code that you get. Now this code can be copied and can be provided to the third-party website, and you can paste it there to display all of your products there. So for example, we have a sample page. We just need to copy paste it up this code on that, and thereafter depending upon the number of products, those products should be listed in a collection, and we'll have this add to cart button as well, from where the customers can make a checkout as required. So that was much about the OpenCart by button plugin. I hope it helped you out. If you have any questions, queries, or suggestions, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webkul.com. Apart from that, do give this particular video a thumbs up if you like the video, so as to motivate us to creating such more videos with all the functionalities for the e-commerce open source platforms that are there for the e-commerce sector. And apart from that, do press the bell icon to receive the latest updates of our latest video tutorials, and do check our social networks and say us a hello there as well, and check the user guide live demo that we have attached within the description of this particular video to get more details about the video itself. And lastly, thanks for watching this video and have a great day ahead.